Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the battery chemistry and rated voltage so you wire to the right system. Put on PPE and isolate power. This prevents accidental shorts. Use the multimeter to verify open circuit voltage and cell balance before connecting anything. Once measured, attach the negative lead first to reduce spark risk, then the positive. Make firm, clean mechanical connections. Make sure to orient cells consistently and label polarity. This avoids reverse wiring later. You now integrate the battery management system to protect cells from overcharge and overdischarge. Mount the BMS on an insulated, vibration-free surface. Route the balance and sense wires in order and tighten each connector. Once connected, verify each cell tap with the multimeter to confirm correct sequencing and expected voltages. Install temperature sensors where cells run warm and secure all harnesses. Make sure to set BMS voltage and current thresholds to match the battery specifications before applying full power. You finish by running a controlled, low-current charge while watching cell voltages and temperatures to confirm stability. Once charged, apply a measured load and observe pack voltage, BMS response, and contactor behavior to ensure the system functions under stress. If anything is off, unexpected voltage drift, high resistance, or heat, stop immediately, disconnect, and recheck all polarity, torque, and balance leads. A key troubleshooting tip: if imbalance persists, perform individual cell testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.